And I want you to come claim it. I do. I do. It's like supernatural. Feels possessed me.
Hello guys, at saya Alebria, my Aminda, and welcome back to another vlog. For today's video, ang gagawin po natin ay ang TikTok Battle Part 17! Woohoo! So, maligayang pagbabalik ulit sa akin. Sobrang tagal nung huli ako nag-film, and it's been 1 month simula na nag-film ako. And today is May 25, 2026, and it's now already 3:20 p.m. So, yes, happy Monday everyone! So, habang mag-tiktok muna ako, i-post ko muna itong video na to, and I will be right back. Is mag-film ng TikTok video, and yeah, kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng TikTok videos, and sa lahat po na mag-aabang na aking next vlogs ay ang ating upcoming vlogs po is Gala Vlog, Shop, School Supplies Haul, and What's in My Bag. So, abangan nyo po yan. Promise talaga, magiging active ako. And, syempre, malapit na ang pasukan. And kailangan na nating mag-vlog to focus on vlogging. Medyo naging busy kasi ang ate girl nyo this week, last week, kaya di ako nakapag-vlog. So, yun lang. And see you again on my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And link notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming videos. Bye everyone!
Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa kuba. Aking nakita, babaeng saksakan ng ganda. Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa kuba. Aking nakita, babaeng saksakan ng ganda.